Okay, so two schemes are there on scheme 1 and scheme 2. The difference is f of, if it is an, is greater than 0, and f of bn is less than 0. For this case, scheme 1, so I can write here it is an when greater than 0 and f of bn when less than 0. Then this scheme, only the changes is here sign. Test part that only with changes of replacement will change. Test part is same. Here it is f of an when it is less than 0 and f of bn when it is greater than 0, then this scheme. So this is the actually two scheme for regular Falsi methods solution and that exam solution procedure. Okay, so now we will consider one example. Before that, what is ln x? If x equals to 1, what is the value of this one? 0. And what is log of x when x equals to 1? What is the meaning of this
0,
one?
sir.
0. What is the base of this one?
E, sir.
What is the base of this one?
10, sir.
10. Generally we are noting like that. What is let us consider first cos sine of x or cos of x. What is cos 1? Cos of 1. I think everyone should have calculator. Now, so trigonometric two functions are there. One is radian, another is degree. Correct. So cos of 1. So let us consider the equation. If equation is like that, cos of x plus sine of x equals to 1. You solve it. Then what is x here? What is the, this is the equation. So you have to solve this one. What is the value of x? So degrees, are you sure? It is degree or radian? Degree. So now if I write f of x equals to cos of x plus sine of x minus 1. Now f of 0, what is the answer? 0. F of 1, .017. This one. This one. But actually all are, these are not degree if the degree sign is not there. If it is not there, then all are in radian. So if it is not given in degree, so all are radian. Now you tell me f of 0, what is, if it is radian, what is the answer? And f of 1, what is the answer? Or else just come here and then you can answer here like that. F of 1, go to this place. F of 1, if it is radian, what is the cos of 1? If it is radian, 0.54 if it is radian. So now you tell me, now 0.54 you have answered this one, cos 1, correct? Now f of 1 for this function, what is the answer? In radian, since it is not given degree.
0.3817, sir.
0.3817. So basically 0.3817. Basically if it is degree sign is not given, then you have to consider that one is actually in terms of radian. Okay, ln x means base e. If log of x, that means generally you should consider log of base 10. Okay, these are the basics. Now I will consider one problem. Okay, now tell me. Okay, first consider one problem. Okay, find the, sorry, you should have calculator. Okay, now find the root of the equation f of x equals to 0, where f of x equals to, okay, x ln x minus 1 by Regula Falsi method. Okay, okay, in the bracket, correct up to 3 decimal places, 3 dp. Okay, 3 decimal places. Okay, so this is the problem we have to. In the last class actually, okay, f of a was positive and f of b was negative. Okay, now this one. Now check this one. What is the answer? Okay, how can you find the answer? Let us see solution. F of x equals to, here, f of x equals to x ln x minus 1. So now if we consider f of 0, what is the answer? Minus 1. Okay, so f of 1, minus 1, f of 2, minus or plus? Plus 0.386. Okay, so now, okay, we are finding, we have to find the positive root, but here it is f of a. So here let a naught equals to 1 and b naught equals to 2. Therefore f of a naught into f of b naught is equals to, what is the answer? That is minus of this one, so it is negative, minus 3.386 less than 0. Okay, therefore at least one root lies, okay, in bracket, okay, minus, sorry, 1 to 2. You will just take f of a is here, it is f of a is negative. Okay, f of a naught is negative and f of b naught is positive. Okay, so the scheme 2 we have to apply previous. So scheme 2 we have to apply, that is f of a, okay, a naught, an is less than 0, f of bn is greater than 0. So this scheme. Okay, how to replace that one we will discuss. Okay, next. So now we will construct the table. Okay, so this is the step 1. Step 1 means f of, this is step 1. Okay, now step 2 means we will consider, or we will construct one computational table. Okay, so write down that one is actually computational table or iteration table. Okay, the iteration table. Okay, or you can say computational table. Okay, now the null table. Okay, so as per scheme 2, an we should write negative, vn is positive. Okay, f of an, f of vn, okay, then Hn, we know that Hn the formula, okay, xn plus 1 f of xn plus 1. Okay, what is the Hn formula? What is the Hn? F mod of f of an, okay, Vn minus an divided by mod of f of an plus mod of f of Vn. Am I correct? This one? F of Vn. Is the Hn?
Yes, sir.
F of an or Vn? F of an, correct? Okay. So this is not mod. This one is not mod. This is not modulus. Okay, now fine. So now I will erase this one first. Okay. So now, okay, entries. N equals to 0. What is An? If you go back to the previous slide, 1. Okay. What is this one? 2. Correct. F of An value is minus 1. F of Vn value is 0.386. And Hn now, Hn you have to evaluate. Correct. Hn you have to find. .9628. Okay, 0.9628. Fine. Hn is this one. Okay. So now .386 f of n 386. Okay. Xn now, xn plus 1. 0 plus this one. Okay. Now it is not 0, it is 1, sorry. 1 plus this one. So 1.9628. I will underline that one. This one plus this one. Okay. And that is equals to this one. So now f of xn plus 1. Okay. And I think Hn is correct or not? My calculation is different little bit. Just check Hn one more time. Yeah, 0.7215. Okay, that is also actually this one is matching with me on 0.72. Okay, and more perfectly it is 0.7215. Correct. Okay, so my answer is 0.72, but it is 0.7215 is the perfect answer, I think so. So I will erase everything once again. So this is mistake. Okay. 0.7215. Okay. So now 1.7215. What is f of xn plus 1? That means the functional value. What is the function? I will write here f of x. X ln x, okay, minus 1. This is the function f of x. So now f of 1.7, f of this one, f of 1.7215. What is the answer? F of this one.
Minus 1.2365, sir.
1 minute better. Just 1 minute. I will erase it and now answer it. Minus
1.2365, sir.
2365. Okay. It is less than 0. Fine. So this one is less than 0 means this one will be replaced. Okay. This one will be entering value. Okay. Now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Any mistake I will undo and last one. Okay. Just 1 minute. I will write minus 0.0648. Okay, but in case of numerical solution, okay, you should use properly your calculator, okay na, and slowly you do it, na, don't go hurry, it will be a problem for you. Okay, that means you will not get your proper answer in the next step also. So now an is 1, you just see it is less than 0, so only negative part should be replaced. This one is negative part, this is positive part, okay na. So we have to replace only the negative part. That means 1.7215. I will make it box with different color. So this is 1. Finally this one. This one will remain unchanged. Okay. This one will it will be the same 2. Now this part will change. This one part is unchanged. Okay, so the change part I will write here minus 0.0648. Already we have the answer from here. Okay, so that is the case. Sorry. Okay, so this one. Now HN, what is the HN? HN actually now 2 minus, the formula is 2 minus 1.7215 into modulus means into 0.0648 divided by, okay, 0.0648 plus mod of 0.386. This is the, sorry, this is the HN. What is the answer? .0400. After that some digit should be there, okay, otherwise 0400 meaningless, only 04 is fine. So can you add one more digit, 0400?
3, sir.
Understood now? If you not add these 3, this are meaningless, okay. So now I'll erase. Okay, fine. Now what is XN? What is XN? XN is XN is always like first one, okay, plus this one, first one plus this fellow plus this HN, this one, okay. So 1.72, fine, 1.72 plus that one. So what is the answer then? 1.7215 plus 0.04003. So 1.76153. So 1.76153. What is the f of xn then? Minus 0.0026. Okay, it is again negative, fine, it is also negative, so less than 0. So since it is negative, again negative 1 should be replaced. Okay, so now I will write here 2, n equals to 2, and 1.72 should be replaced by 1.76153. Okay, so that will be the next entry. Okay, so now x2, this one remains same, so minus only change, so minus 0.0026, f of xn 0.386. now hn means difference of these two and then product with modulus of this one divided by mod of these two. Okay, so I will mark it again with different color. So this one actually based on this one, and this value is replaced by this one. Fine. Now what is Hn? One six. Okay, fine. Then what will be the Xn? Xn will be, so 1.76 plus this one, or 1.76153. Okay, so that plus that value. Okay, now so that is actually 1 point. So first two also no problem. 76 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 3 3 6 3. Am I correct? This one 3 1 3 1 176, then 1 3. Okay, 1 3, correct. 1 3, fine. 1 3, fine. Okay. What is our 3 dp? Okay, na? So 3 dp, fine. 3 dp. Next, till now, if you check, 2 dp are same. Okay, 2 dp same, but our target is up to 3 dp. So we have to proceed for go for the next step. Now f of 1.76313, what is the answer? Minus 0.0001. Okay, fine. So now for 3, okay, now for 3 again negative should be replaced. So 1.76313. Okay, and 2 remaining same. F of 0 is minus 0.0001, 0.386. Now Hn you have to find. You can find the Hn. What is Hn? Yeah, tell me, no problem. It will 6 point. Yeah. Okay, you tell me the decimal places.
0.004,
correct?
Yes, sir, 4 zeros and
4
then
zeros, then?
6134.
But it will be like that. Otherwise, here a lot of changes will be there. So you just see 4 decimal places, there will be no change, correct? So Hn will be like that only. Okay, now. So this system or this procedure will converge. So firstly, if your Hn is decreased firstly, then only. You just see 0.72, then 0.04, then 0.0016. The next step is 0.000613. Clear? So it is good for you that it is very small. Okay. So what will be the f of xn then? So this one, okay, the same plus this part, correct? So what is the answer? 1, I have to write here, 1 point, tell me. Okay, 19135. Okay, so you just see correct up to 3 decimal places only you have to find. So here we can stop. Why? Or one more step you can find. you can find, and that step also it will be like 0.00001 something value. Okay now. So however, we need only up to 3 decimal places. So here we can stop. Okay, so this is the stop. So within 3 steps you can find the answer. Even no need to find this part also, since you have already 0.76. Since so this is A0, so it is what is that one? It is x1, sorry, x2, it is x3, it is x4, it is x5. Since x4 and x5, okay, since x4 and x5, okay, gives correct up to 3 decimal places, okay. So this 3 decimal places or gives correct up to 3 decimal places. We can stop here, okay now. And the recorded solution is, or not solution, the recorded root, okay. Root of the equation is x equals to 1.763, correct up to 3 decimal places, 3 dp, okay, 3 dp. Fine. So we just take 3 dp, here it is, and here the same 3 dp, 7.763. So the recorded root is 1.763. Okay, just one discussion here. I will erase everything. Okay, this is stopping criteria, everything is fine. Okay, just consider that it is actually we are guessing, okay na? We are not finding, but let us consider this one is plus 0. This is plus, here it is f of xn. Okay, discussion part only, okay na? So we have already done our we have already completed our problem, and the solution is x equals to 1.763. Fine. Okay, now just for one query, okay na? Say this f of 1.76319 is equals to okay, is say point, okay, 0.3815, let us say positive. Okay, so then what will be the changes in the next step if you want to do the next step, say 4? Anyone answer this one? So these are discussion part only. Now you tell me that what will be the changes in the in the iteration 4. So now you tell me what will be the answer here. 1.76313. Fine. And this one should be replaced, 2 should be replaced by 76. Fine, good. And this one will be same, correct now? What about this one? 0.3815. Fine. Now rest part. Yeah, that means you are correct. That means in that case, since it is positive, you have to replace the positive one only. Fine. You have to replace the positive one only, not the negative one. Since all the steps you have negative values, that's why you have replaced all these 3 boxes. But here it is a red box. We are not going to replace that one. We have replaced this one, red box. Fine. Okay. So that's all. I will give you 3 homework. Okay. Then I have to stop. I have one meeting, okay, now with director. So I will stop here. Just write down 3 homework. Okay. Find the root of the equation f of x equals to, cos of x plus sine of x. All are radian, -1. I repeat, all are radian. Okay now. Find the root of this equation equals to 1. Okay. Correct up to 2. Correct up to say 3 decimal places. 3 dp. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. F of x equals to. Fine. Okay. So twice x. Okay. Minus log of x base 10 minus 7. Okay. Correct up to how many decimal places? So correct up to add on 1 2 3 4 4 decimal places. Okay, that's true. These two. Okay, we'll meet next class. Okay, you must complete these two one, and we'll discuss the next topic, that is Newton Raphson, in our next class. If you have any query, you can ask in that next class. Not today. I have some meeting. Okay. Okay, but you can leave the meeting now. Okay.
Thank you, sir.